Hello everyone, I'm Rochelle Pereira from Smartbot Automations and I warmly welcome you to my YouTube channel. Most of the people thinks like hosting and automation services like n8n take so much time as well as so much money. Actually, when I tell you this, you will be amazed. Hosting n8n is super easy. Actually, today I'm going to teach you how you can do that exactly just within 2 steps. Not 10 steps, not 5 steps, just only 2 steps. Services like Zapier and Make is costing more than $10. Actually, hosting this n8n is not costing you $100 per month, not even $50, and not even $10. It's only costing you $5 per month. Actually, believe me, it's totally worth it. You will never regret this decision because there are so many values provided by this platform n8n. As you all know, the AI is the next big thing that is happening. And when it comes to AI, and to make the best out of these AI systems, we need to connect these ones with our own applications, as well as we need to create our own automation workflows and all sort of things. And in that time, these automation tools comes in handy. Actually, n8n is a super tool that I have used for all of my clients as well as all of my business automations, and it's doing a great job. Let's start from the very beginning. Let's start from the hosting n8n. Let's go straight to the video. As you can see in here, this is a platform that we use for the hosting. Its name is Railway. As you can see in here, it's a great platform. As you can see, the thing that you need to do is, first you need to go to this platform. I will be put the link in the description. It's not a referral link. You can always use these free stuff, and Railway is not sponsoring me, of course. I would be glad if they sponsor. And the thing that you need to do is first put signing, and signing with you can use either GitHub or you can use your email or any sort of thing. For the sake of this example, I will use my Google account. Let's wait, and I will use this account. Let's continue. As you can see, this is a relatively new account. By the way, I have used the trial version and it's just expired. As you can see, this is the first interface that you would be guided. And as you can see, and sometimes you might not see a message pop up like this. In that case, you need to go here, then here. As you can see, there is a one named as plans. There are 2 plans actually in here. When it comes to having hostings, and the plan that we are going to use today is this specific one. And you might wondering whether you need to go for this one or this one. Actually, this one is more than enough for our daily automations, as well as if you are a business owner that do your automations by yourself. This would be more than enough for that specific use case. By the way, if you want for this one, with my experience, this is capable of handling like 2000 workflows, automations, and that would be more than enough for our usage. And if you want to go even more further, or even to have more workflow automations, you can obviously go for this one. Actually, this is totally worth it because by this one, this is the only fee that you need to pay. You don't need to pay for databases and all sort of things. This provide all sort of things for this specific package. And let's get started. And you need to press get started, and it would ask you to add your billing information. So it will ask for your billing information. You just need to put your billing information, and I will put mine, and let's continue. Now after you get the hobby package, as you can see, I have purchased the hobby package by $25, and you can see that I have get the hobby package. And the next thing that you need to do, count this one. There are only 2 steps that you need to do. I will deliver my promise. The first thing that you need to do is, as you can see in here, press new. Then you need to press deploy a template. Actually, the specialty of this one is this is super easy. Even if you don't have very technical knowledge about databases or any sort of thing related to coding, you just need to press simple buttons and you can host this one very easily. You need to press n8n worker, and if this one is not showing, you can search it like n8n, then you will be see all the n8n workflow templates that's available. And remember this one, you only need to use this specific one by the username Jack. Press this one, the step 1, go down, the step 2 is deploy. As you can see, it's very easy and it's being deployed. Let's see how it goes, and let's wait. Yeah, as you can see in here, it's not only the n8n workflow that it's deploying, it has this database as well as this is the primary version. Let's go to the activity and let's see how it's happening. As you can see, it started deploying and 2 of them are already deployed. Let's see, this is the most important one. Let's wait until it also deployed, then we can use the n8n. As you can see, within a couple of seconds it's deployed. The next thing that you need to do is you need to come here, press the primary, then press primary production railway.app. Actually, this is the URL that you use to log into your n8n instance, and you must save this one, otherwise you would be not able to log into this one. Let's press this. After you press that link, you will be guided into this kind of interface. Now the 80% of the work is done. Actually, it's close like 90% also. And let's see the rest of the steps. After you go into here, it's normal as all the logins. You don't need to put anything, and actually this is your own n8n instance and you can play with it and you can create any automation that you would like. You can create any automations, and first you need to put your email. I will use this specific email, and the first name and the last name and any password. Then press next. Wait, the magic is happening behind. As you can see in here, you have hosted an n8n automation instance within 2 steps without breaking your bank by spending only $5. Then let's get started. And the other important thing that you need to do is after you done the hosting part as well as you log into this one, you can see it asks us to give an email to send the license key. Actually, as this is open sourced one, we will get a dedicated license key for us, and you need to put the correct email in here and press send me free license key. After that, let's wait until we get the license key. I will check on my inbox. Yeah, I got the license key. You will get an email including the license key. You just need to copy that one and come here, then press here, usage and plans. Then you will be guided something like this. It's loading. Then enter activation key, copy the key and active. As you can see in here, it's successfully activated. Now you have your own n8n instance. This includes all the features that n8n allows, as well as you can create automations. I will show some steps. And this is the latest version of n8n. And let's see. And the other important thing is, let me know if you would like to do any other automation or any sort of thing. And I have this plan to do something like a step-by-step guide about n8n, as well as a full system build out related to rehab centers. As you know, the knowledge examples as well as pro tips and different kind of hacks regarding these tools like n8n and other automations tools are scattered all around the internet. Actually, I have decided to create a series of videos that will teach you about n8n and all sort of other automation tools, as well as how to use these tools for the maximum, and pro tips as well as hacks that I have understand within these several years. I will build a full system that will handle customer service and all sort of things related to rehab centers. I will be doing these once, and I hope you enjoy this video. And if you have any questions or any sort of thing, feel free to leave a comment. I'm more than glad to help you. And if you want all the resources in the previous builds or any sort of thing, we have a great school community. I will put the link in the description. You can join it, and keep me subscribed so you will be get notified. And see you in the next video.